I'm Charlie, and today we're going to be showing you how to make a mac and cheese burger. First half is the mac and cheese. We're here at Roxbury High School. Let's take a step on into the kitchen.
Give me that. No. Pass that.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
Hi, I'm Donovan.
Hi, I'm Emma.
Get one medium-sized pot and begin to fill it with water. If you drape your thumb over the side of the pot, hold it down until you feel the water rise up to that point. Place the pot filled with water on the burner. Turn the dial up to the high setting until you hear the click of the ignition. Put the lid on the pot and let the water boil. You will know that the water is boiling when you hear the sizzling and popping of the bubbles, as heard here. When the water reaches a boil, turn the dial 90 degrees counterclockwise to reduce to a simmer. Open up the box of macaroni. Here we are using elbow macaroni. Pour the entire box of macaroni into the sizzling water slowly as to not spill. Stir the pasta to ensure that it doesn't stick, and do this several times over the cooking process.
Alexa, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes, starting now.
The lid.
I don't think so. Time's
At
up.
the end of the timer, use a spoon to remove a piece of the pasta and check that it is cooked all the way. When you touch it, it should feel squishy. If it is still stiff, you should continue to cook the pasta. You need to get a strainer, a bowl with holes in the bottom, and place it in your sink. Grab the pot of water and pasta and bring it over to the sink and strainer, and slowly pour the pasta out into the strainer to drain the water.
Using the same pot and keeping the stove at its previous temperature, we are going to now make the cheese. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter and about 1/4 cup of flour. Then mix until the mixture feels combined and the butter is melted. Using pre-sized liquid measuring cups, use the cup size to add 1 cup of milk and the half cup size to add a half cup of milk. Do this gradually while mixing.
Sounds weird.
Once the milk is added, turn the stove dial 45 degrees clockwise to increase the heat and rapidly whisk until the mixture feels smooth but thick.
You're going to take some pre-shredded cheese and gradually add it while stirring. Good view. Show the bag. Add to taste. A pinch of salt.
Using a traditional pepper grinder, twist the top about 8 times and then stir in the pepper. Slowly add the macaroni to the cheese mixture and gradually stir. Now that we've finished making the mac and cheese, we are going to make the burger. You will need patties, buns, a spatula, and a grill. To turn on the grill, there are 4 steps. First, turn the dial closest to you counterclockwise from 12 o'clock to about 8 o'clock. You should hear gas begin to blow. Do this for the next 2 dials, and the sound of the gas should increase. Then hold down the small button to ignite the grill. You should hear several clicks and then the start of the fire. Check for warmth to ensure that the grill is running. Once you know the grill is running, place the patty on the grill near the heat source.
Using the spatula, you should flip the patty several times while cooking.
You can tell it's cooking by the way it's cooking.
By the sizzle.
Mm-hmm. Give it nice presses. Cook evenly. Press. Let it breathe. Let it breathe.
To check for the doneness of the patty, use this easy trick. The tenderness of the patty should match that of the fat in the palm of your hand at the base of your thumb. Using your pointer finger on your other hand to check, the tenderness when your hand is open is considered rare. When touching your pointer finger to your thumb, it is medium rare. Middle finger and thumb is medium, ring finger and thumb is medium well, and when touching your pinky finger to your thumb, it should be the tenderness of a well-done patty. To turn off the grill, in the reverse order that you turn the dials on, twist each one clockwise back into the 12 o'clock position. You should no longer hear the release of gas, and the grill should slowly begin to radiate less heat. Place the finished patty on the bottom bun, leaving the top bun off. From the bowl of mac and cheese, get 2 big scoops and place on top of the burger.
Just throw the whole thing on there. We want it messy and gooey.
You have now made a mac and cheese burger. Enjoy!
Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper. Toda mi gente se mueve. Mira el ritmo como los...